In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. A delegation from the Ministry of Agriculture visits an agricultural quality assurance research center in Russia. The Deputy Minister for Counter-Narcotics has traveled to Uzbekistan. And 1 month's waiver extended by the United States for the purchase of Russian oil. Welcome to our daily news package. It's Saturday, the 1st of Zulqa'dat al-Haram, 1447, the 29th of Hamal, 1405, and the 18th of April, 2026. The news details. A delegation from Afghanistan's Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock, headed by Maulavi Sadrazam Osmani, the Deputy Minister, has visited a research center for quality assurance for agriculture and livestock products in Russia. Based on the ministry, the delegation held discussions with officials of the center on expanding technical cooperation, strengthening quality control system, and enhancing laboratory capacities. Sheikh Abdurrahman Munir, the Deputy Minister for Counter-Narcotics in the Ministry of Interior, has departed for Samarkand, Uzbekistan at the head of an official delegation. The Minister of Interior stated that the visit is being conducted at the official invitation of Uzbekistan with the aim of participating in an international conference on global drug threats. The ministry added that the conference is scheduled to be held on the 20th of the current Gregorian month with the participation of the representatives from various countries and international organizations. It further noted that the Afghan delegation will present the achievements, the ongoing efforts, and future plans of the Islamic Emirate in combating narcotics during the meeting. The news continuation. The officials from the country's carpet union report that during the past solar year, Afghanistan exported 6,000 carpets and 4,000 square meters of kilims to 37 countries with a total value of $18 million. Qari Abdurrahman Gul, the head of the union, stated that the majority of exports were made to the United States, Turkey, and European countries. He added that the carpet processing is currently carried out inside the country, and with further expansion of processing activities, employment opportunities could be created for approximately 50,000 people. And ultimately, the United States Department of the Treasury has extended a waiver allowing countries to continue purchasing sanctioned Russian oil transported by sea for approximately 1 more month. The extension aims to increase global oil supply amid disruptions caused by the ongoing conflict involving Iran. In accordance with the Treasury's statement, the authorization for purchasing Russian oil already loaded onto tankers has been extended until May 16th of the current year. That's the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.